prayer is from the Sunnah. How are you going to pray?
We call them Quranists, those who don't believe in Sunnah. Okay, tell me how to give zakat. Then we have Hajj. If I go to Hajj, how can I worship? I mean, how many circumambulances around the Kaaba? 7 or 77? How many rak'ats to pray? How about the halal and the haram?
Assalamu alaikum. There is a group of people who say, just follow the Quran. There is no need to follow the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his Sunnah.
Here's my equation against those Quranist people who say the only authentic source for the Muslims is the Quran and any other source is doubtful. So we don't need anything except the Quran. Now, you know that this is doubtful against the Quran. Why? Because we believe that the Quran is perfect, but the Quran did not tell us about the details of the prayer.
Quranists are not united whatsoever, actually. You would think because they got only the Quran, there are actually so many more different views. It's crazy.
The average Muslim cannot understand. How can you reject something coming from the Prophet